Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's get this video rolling. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday, happy hump day, December 8th. Today I'm going to recap a trade taken on PPSI. PPSI is a stock that occasionally comes out on the gapping list. Sounds very familiar, doesn't it? It does have a low float, high relative volume, boom boom, checks out some news as well. Now, we traded this one later into the trading day. This was between 12 and 1 in the afternoon here in the West Coast, which is nearby closing hours. And this last hour of the trading day is called power hour for a reason. That's because sometimes the stocks that were popping before in the morning are beginning to pop once again right before the market close. And doesn't always have to be stocks that have been popping in the morning. It could be just randomly a stock receives new news before the market close, right? PPSI is one that popped in the morning. We can see it here. And it did make a nice high of day near 12. And then, boom, it sank near VWAP. It kept trying to break above VWAP. It did break above it once. Then it came back down and traded nearby VWAP there. Now here, we are drawing these trend lines to figure out which direction is it going to fly to, right? We can see that there is a descending resistance based off of those pivots there. I'll look at the 5-minute chart. This pivot from the high of day, and then this pivot over here, creating a descending resistance. And then there's also a ascending support right there from this pivot low to this pivot low. Boom, ascending support. Now we did break above that descending resistance. Boom, popped above it, but we hit a resistance based off of that pivot there. So we wanted to wait for confirmation, right? The confirmation being that okay, it shouldn't break below this descending resistance. It should hold it as a support now, and then there should be an influx of buyers that come in. And then right here we begin to see that there they are. You saw that. It took a split second to realize that that's where the buyers are coming in. So we threw in our order there, and immediately, boom, it skyrockets, right? Like a rocket. Breaks above that current resistance right there, breaks above that one, and it's testing this other previous resistance here around 11. You can see it struggle there for a while, and then it breaks above it. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward because it does struggle for a few minutes. This trade took about 20 minutes to play out. Kept hanging around that resistance. We can see it there. Always playing that tug of war between buyers and sellers. It's hanging out. At some point, 11:30 became another level of resistance based off of that pivot's high. Now here it came down within this range of 1090 and 1064 where we added, right? Came down there to retest that area. Some buyers came in. Broke above that 11 once again. We raised our stop loss right below that 1090, and the reason for that is because if you notice this pivot's high is 1090. The way this price is trading, the stock's price is trading, is if you notice that if it falls down below that 1090, it's going to be very hard for it to come back up and break above that 1090 once again. Essentially, it would be forming hypothetically a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulder patterns are the sellers would have more control, right? So imagine this price came down, boom, anywhere here, and then tries to come back up to 1090. 1090 would play as a hard resistance. And then boom, it will continue to fall. That's why we raised it up there. Not only to secure some profits, but also following the flow of supply and demand. So a little fast forward here, we do get some buyers that came in, squeezing it up above that resistance, 1130 resistance. Boom. And then at some point we do raise our stop loss once again to make sure we secure even more profits. Somewhere around here is where we do it. Boom. We raised it right below that previous resistance, which will now be a level of support at 1130. Now our stop loss 1120. We're gonna secure this much in profits. We can't lose in this trade. We're just waiting either to hit profit, the full profit target, or come down and stop us out at a profit. So not a bad place to be, right? And then I'll just allow it to play out these last 30 seconds. Boom, we take profit there, and that's it. And all in all, in 20 minutes, we made $106 once again. Alright guys and gals, thanks for being here, for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer. And I know we can all be very busy at times. So yeah, hit me up. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, bye bye. Wait, actually, let's see. Look at PPSI now. Hit that high, and then boom. Right before market close, it's starting to sell off. Alright, now I'm leaving. Bye bye.